Well, me and old Woodrow, we bought the boat The Good Idea to Cherokee Falls, and there's no water. Not much. We can't get in. That's Doolittle Creek. We used to put in right there, and the water would be up that stone right there. Never seen it this bad before. Not only are they cutting my trees down where I hunt, the river's gone.
Ain't it the truth? It's a sight. Below the dam there ain't hardly no water over there in the rock.
And there may not be any at Pick Hill.
Ain't no telling.
We'll go down to Pick Hill, but we can't get in. Little old Doolittle. That's some clear water coming though.
Yep. Now if you was of a mind to, today'd be the day to walk that creek. Probably find all kinds of treasures up in there.
Yeah. If it wasn't so boggy.
Yeah, it's bad.
It's sandy on up at the bridge where they threw that safe out. But in all the years we've been here, we've never seen it like this. Never.
Wonder what the big idea is. I thought it had been very wet in the mountain area.
It rained up at Cowboys last night. He's over the hell of a storm.
Maybe they doing repair somewhere down line. Had to shut her off.
The next dams up are Gaston Shoals.
Yeah.
That could be. I hope mine never.
Do what?
I hope mine never. That's an old country expression.
I reckon so.
Well, we get muddy as hell, but we could put in.
We'd have to carry that boat.
Drag it. Well, this is a fine how do you do.
A fine kettle of fish.
That's it. We get in there, this water this low, up in that canal,
There won't be any water.
we can get out and hit them with a poke paddle.
Walk across it.
Any words of encouragement or
Hang in there.
hang in there, film at 11. We're going to put that Good Idea in the water somewhere. We can find enough to float it. All right. Let's, I don't see nobody up yonder, John. I think you seeing things.
You said, well, you know what? It could be a big tree stump that hadn't. You see the corner of the dam here?
Yeah.
All right, if you sight right across the tip of that dam, there's two black dots over there on that.
Are you saying that's black people?
No, I'm saying it just looks like two figures.
That's that entrance to that swampy area back there.
Is it? All right.
You know, you're going up a little bit and there's People's Creek. All right. Jehovah. All right, let's go.